Hey guys, this is Lisa with Lily on the Move. I wanted to come back with a little impromptu video in regards to my BEIS luggage that I bought. If you can recall, I did a video back here a couple of weeks ago when I got my new luggage, and I was just talking about all the different features that the luggage had and all of this. It's like a great carry-on. The price of it was like awesome. So anyway, I mentioned that I was getting ready to go to Mexico again, so we're getting ready to head there in 2 days. So I decided to, well, not decided. I went ahead to pack my luggage. So anyway, so excited about all that I could get in here. So I just kind of wanted to go through kind of like what I got packed, and not gonna be like be in detail, but just kind of to show you just like what all this luggage holds. And I still got room to put stuff in, but now I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of heavy. But however, I still have room, and I'm not even using the extendable portion of the luggage with everything that I have in here. So let's just kind of run through what I have in here. So on this side, which I had explained that this was, um, they had an area for you to put like your um, whatever you want to put in here. It could be, your wet clothes, your dirty clothes, or whatever. However, you do get two bags that come with the luggage for your dirty clothes and just whatever. So I do have that. So anyway, I just kind of decided to put like my house shoes and some sandals and just like some incidentals over in this area. But over here on this side, um, I have like about four bathing suits. I have my heels. I have my purses that I'm planning on taking with me. And I have my bathing suits. So in a total, I have four bathing suits. I have maybe about 4 or 5 pairs of shoes, which most are sandals. I brought like one pair of heels that could go with like anything that I wear. And then I have my bag to put all my incidentals in on this side as well. So once I get everything in here, I can zip this up. Now I still have room that I could probably put something else over here, but I'm trying to learn how to pack and pack smart and not overpack, because I'm like, a lot of the stuff that I bring, no lie guys, a lot of the stuff that I bring, I don't even wear. And I know it kind of depends on what type of mood that you're in, that particular day. So I always try to pack a little over just in case, I change my mind about something. So anyway, over here on this side, make sure you guys see. So I got maybe like I have three short sets that I'm bringing with me, and tops for those. Now I pack in cubes. Um I find that you can get these off of Groupon, you can get these off of Amazon, but these things are like wonderful. And I always use the roll method for my clothes, because I just find it easy to give you some extra room. So I have 7 dresses in here. 7. So then put this back over here. I have my speaker for the beach and when we're sitting out. And I just have like some other stuff, lotions, my pack for my jewelry. And then I have like, my bed clothes and stuff like that, underwear. And this section too, same thing, roll method. So I put it in. I got another purse over here and I still got room. So I just kind of decided for over here that I would, because this is the panel that goes down in the middle, and then you kind of lock it in with the strap. So I just got like some other little stuff over there as well. But let me show you once I put everything back in. And I'm really, really trying not to overthink um, my clothes. The weather is supposed to be absolutely beautiful. Low 70s at nighttime, and then maybe like the high 80s in the daytime. But you also have to account in for the humidity. So I'm hoping and praying that the humidity the humidity is like really low. So anyway, you got these straps here. And nothing moves. Once you zip everything down and lock everything down, nothing shifts in this luggage, which is why I really like it. So here's my beach bag, which we're gonna need. Lily. Okay, so let's close it up and see what happens. Okay, so I got my bag here. Guess it really doesn't matter. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled out the extenders on the luggage. So let's get ready to close it up. I think this is what I did the other day when I was packing. I went ahead and closed everything up and put it in the locks how it's supposed to be. Then I closed the extenders on it because I'm trying to figure out like why is it not closing right. So we'll put it here. And again, what I like about this luggage is that it has the TSA lock on it. Let me show you again. Right here. And I need to set it. So I need to take this off. So I really don't need this here. So anyway, and I think from here, I can close my extenders here. And it's awesome. Look at how much room you get. All of this is probably about 1.5 inches of an extender for here. But I got something else that I got to put in here, so I'm not going to close all this up. But once I finish, then that's that on that. But yeah, this luggage is so far awesome. It even rolls nice even though it's on the bed. So again, I'll come back at you guys when we get to Tulum, because of course then I'm going to use it a lot. I'll give another review then about how it held up or whatever. I am checking in my bags. We always seem to check in our bags. I really don't, not check in, carry on. We always carry on. So that's why we got the carry-on size luggage for it. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll be back at you guys. I'll probably be doing like a couple of little short videos while we're on vacation, while we're doing things just to share. But for the meanwhile, yeah, that's it. Just wanted to share with you about this awesome luggage. I see that they have a whole bunch of, I'm not getting paid by BEIS or anything, but I do want to order like the weekender luggage that they have just for the weekends for when I go places. And, or when I'm not trying to pack a lot. So those would be good for that. But yeah, I'm excited. And I just wanted to share with you all about the luggage. So I'll be back at you soon. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate all you guys have joined my channel. And thanks. And peace out.